Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to Melinda's Homemaking Life. Today's to-do list is rather short, but it's packed full of great cleaning motivation. Let's start with cooking dinner. For dinner tonight, I am making ham and beans in the Instapot. I have not used my Instapot very much, nor have I ever made ham and beans, so who knows how this is going to work out. I'm starting off by giving some onions a good chop with one of my Christmas presents, and then I'm going to get everything into the Instapot. So the onions, the beans, and the leftover ham. From there, I'm going to give everything covered with water, and I'm going to set my Instapot. I will have this full recipe that I found in the description box below, just in case I leave out any details.
I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. You're a little bit selfish. You get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you. I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer, yeah. I can really start over, yeah. In the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure, yeah. I can finally start over, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Here's to the memories. Cheers to who used to be. Your friend said that you left me. I'm glad that's what you believe. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Oh, bye-bye, bye-bye. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell goodbye. U-G-L-I, you'll never see me cry. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell.
I haven't had a chance to spend time with you since Christmas, so let me know in the comments below, how was your Christmas? How was your weather? Did your family make it there? Did you eat too much? Did you play games? Tell me how you guys spent your Christmas. Our Christmas was really great. Tyler came out and spent time with us. He stayed all night. We opened presents. We ate all kinds of good stuff. And then the afternoon, I went to my brother-in-law's house, and then I also went to my sister's house. So Christmas Day was a busy day for us. We rounded out Christmas by going to the movies and having movie theater popcorn, which we probably didn't really need.
Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. Our bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. Standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away.
All right, guys, our 60 minutes of processing time has finished, and we are going to do natural release for 15 minutes and then open the valve wide up. As you can see, my beans are screaming hot and the ham is falling off the bone. So I'm going to add the flavor packet that came in with the beans into the mixture and give it a really good spin. Next up, we're going to get the ham out of the beans and get it shredded up and get rid of all the bones.
One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you look like that. Closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll let the one anyone knew. I was on your bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that.
Once this cornbread finishes baking, I am going to let it cool and I'm going to take a shower for my ladies' night day out. I'll be back in a few hours when my husband gets home to show you what the finished beans look like.
Girl, when you're looking like that. Closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Damn.
My husband just came in from work and I have been home shortly from my ladies' day out. This is what our finished beans look like. He said they were delicious. I wanted to get a shot before he crumbled up his cornbread and put his raw onions in the dish.
Problems. I would never thought that you could be causing these problems. It smells so bright with eyes like these diamonds. Caution. I know I should have known. Right now you're not alone. I don't wanna get in trouble.
I'm going to finish out this video today by just adding a few more dirty dishes to my dishwasher, and I'm going to call it a day. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. It was really great to catch up with you after Christmas. And most importantly, don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you guys on Sunday.